Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for a tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max but aren't sure which one to choose? The ZAGG Glass Elite and FLOLAB NanoArmour both come with limited lifetime replacement warranties and have excellent reputations. Which one's a better choice for you? In this video, I'm going to install these on my iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max and compare the results. Let's get started. So looking at the ZAGG Glass Elite, this is a case-compatible screen protector. It's antimicrobial, and ZAGG says that this is its strongest glass ever, 5 times stronger than traditional glass screen protectors. It also comes with an absolutely outstanding installer. So we got some really cute packaging here. Looking at the contents of the box, we've got this super cool installer, we've got the screen protector itself, and then we've got our install kit. Our installation kit consists of a cleaning wipe, a dust removal sticker, and a microfiber cloth. Before starting your installation, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. You're going to start off by cleaning your screen with the included wet wipe. Then dry it with a microfiber cloth. And finally, use the included dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Next, take a look at the installer. You're going to put the phone down inside of this. Note that we do have a top and bottom to this. The top is marked top, so pay attention to that. Next, you want to take out your screen protector and look for the tab that's marked 1 here. That's what you're going to peel off to expose the sticky side of the screen protector. Then you're going to put your screen protector sticky side down on top of your phone. So notice that we have these little holes here on the screen protector tabs. Those are going to go over the knobs on the installer to give you a perfect alignment. Works really well. I used this in a previous ZAGG installation and was really impressed. Before you do this next step, however, you might want to go over your screen one more time with a dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Once you have things properly positioned, press down in the middle to make the screen protector adhere. Beautiful results. So as you can see here, we got an absolutely beautiful installation with the ZAGG Glass Elite screen protector. Love their new installer. It allows you to get a perfect alignment. So this is not too much on one side or the other. It's absolutely perfectly positioned. Just a lovely installer. I think everything looks great here. I think the only potential pitfall with this type of screen protector is failing to get the screen perfectly clean before installation. So if there's still dust or dirt or oils or little specks of dust anywhere on here and you install the screen protector on top of that, you're not going to get a perfect result. So you really have to be careful about cleanliness. But as far as alignment, you're going to be in perfect shape with this screen protector installer. So looking here, we got a super thin screen protector. Adds almost no thickness to the phone, looks great. This is a case-compatible screen protector. It's going to fit with most cases, so it doesn't go quite all the way to the edge. Got nice rounded edges here underneath the fingertips. Everything looks and feels great. Just a beautiful screen protector. We got a cutout here for the notch. Some people like that, some people don't. Overall, everything looks wonderful. As far as look and feel, everything with the ZAGG Glass Elite is excellent. So this is very responsive. There's no issues with haptic touch. You've got a slippery smooth feel underneath the fingertips, and you've got excellent optical clarity. As far as fingerprints are concerned, this uses a special technology called ClearPrint, which is supposed to make fingerprints disappear on the screen. I wasn't a big fan of ClearPrint when it came out a few years ago, but it seems to have gotten better. I see absolutely no issues with the fingerprint performance on this. Everything looks and feels great. The FLOLAB NanoArmour wins points to me for having absolutely beautiful packaging. It's this lovely reflective silver packaging, so nice. And then when you open it up, you get this really cool red packaging on the inside. Everything is really stylishly done here from FLOLAB. Looking at the contents of the box, we've got the screen protector itself and the install tray. We've also got a cleverly packaged wet wipe for cleaning your screen and a microfiber cloth for drying it. And we have an industry-leading dust removal sticker for cleaning your screen. Absolutely huge. Love this dust removal sticker. And then we have 4 additional little dust removal stickers for removing tiny bits of dust, and particularly for removing dust in between the screen protector and the screen. If you mess up and you've got a piece of dust stuck in between the screen protector and the screen, these little dust removal stickers are perfect for trying to fix that. In order to have a successful screen protector installation, you're going to need to clean your phone's screen thoroughly. So start off with your wet wipe. Dry off with a microfiber cloth. And then, this is the really exciting bit, you get to use the absolutely enormous FLOLAB dust removal sticker in order to remove any possible dust from your screen. I absolutely love this dust removal sticker. It is the best in the industry. I don't know why everyone doesn't have such a great dust removal sticker as this one from FLOLAB. It is absolutely great. Dust does not stand a chance against this dust removal sticker. In the meantime, you might want to take a look at the install tray. This is made of a relatively heavy-duty plastic, seems nicely made. There's not an obvious top and bottom to it. I think you could use it either way, but I'm going to go with FLOLAB being on top. So once your phone screen is perfectly clean, you're going to put this down on top of your phone and then proceed to put the screen protector inside the bounds of the installer. Next, you want to take a look at the NanoArmour screen protector itself. This is on a hard plastic backing, so you're going to need to peel the plastic backing away from the screen protector. Do this slowly and carefully. Make sure not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector with your fingers. Then take your screen protector and carefully put it down inside the confines of the installer. Then remove the installer. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything looks absolutely lovely here with the FLOLAB NanoArmour. Even though the installer is not quite as cool as the one from ZAGG, it still worked great. Alignment-wise, I think things are still pretty perfect here. Just a lovely screen protector. And with that fantastic dust removal sticker, there was really no chance that any dust was going to escape the process. Just really impressed here. So we've got nice rounded edges, very thin screen protector. Everything looks just beautiful. It's case compatible, so you're going to be able to use this, I think, with most all cases. And we have the same design here with a cutout for the notch. So really, really nice screen protector. As far as look and feel, this is just a great screen protector. It's very responsive, no issues with haptic touch, slippery smooth, got a great oleophobic coating on here. In terms of optical clarity, everything is lovely. Just a beautiful screen protector here from the folks at FLOLAB. So looking at these two screen protectors side by side with the ZAGG Glass Elite here on my 13 Pro Max on the left and the FLOLAB NanoArmour on my 13 Pro on the right. So you can see very, very similar screen protectors in terms of fit. They're both case compatible and they both have a similar amount of unprotected space on the side, so they're probably going to fit very similarly in terms of cases. They both have a notch cut out here at the top. They both have nice rounded edges. Everything feels lovely here. And they are a similar thickness. As far as look and feel is concerned, I really don't see any difference. They're both equally responsive, they both have great optical clarity, and they both have a lovely slippery feel underneath the fingertips. They also seem to perform the same in terms of fingerprints. So overall, just really nice screen protectors. The differences between the two are that I think that the NanoArmour has a better install kit in terms of its dust removal sticker situation. That is absolutely outstanding. And I think that its installer is very good. I think as far as installers are concerned, the Zagg's one is going to be better. I really, really like the Zagg installer. I think it's impossible to mess that one up, but they really need a bigger dust removal sticker. If you could just combine the two install experiences, you would have an absolutely perfect experience. Price-wise, you're going to save money if you go with your FLOLAB NanoArmour. It's $24.95, and the ZAGG Glass Elite is going to run you $39.99, so it's going to be a bit more expensive. And both of these come with the same sort of limited lifetime replacement warranty. If they break, you can get a replacement screen protector for free, but you do have to pay for shipping. Customer service-wise, probably have a little bit of an edge with ZAGG because it's a bigger company, but other than that, really similar experience between these two. Just depends upon what you're looking for in a screen protector installation experience. Again, we've been looking at the FLOLAB NanoArmour and ZAGG Glass Elite case-compatible screen protectors. These are both available directly from their respective manufacturers as well as from other retailers, and they're priced at $24.95 for the FLOLAB NanoArmour and $39.99 for the ZAGG Glass Elite. Many thanks to the kind folks at ZAGG and FLOLAB for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.